If you want a good solution for live streaming for mobile phone or your computer, then Prism Live Studio is definitely wonderful because the app is so powerful. So in this video I am going to show you how you can use Prism Live Studio from your Android phone. So I think it's also available in Apple. So let's start the short introductory course on Prism Live Studio. Here, first of all, after installing the app, press this button and press this gear icon. After that, just go to my account and just create an account in Prism Live Studio, then log in. You can do it using your Google account or Facebook account. Then go to under live setting, go to stream destinations. Here you can find YouTube, Facebook, Connect, Twitch and others, VLive. Many platforms are here because Prism Live Studio is a multi-streaming app. Multi-platform streaming app means you can stream both on Facebook and YouTube at a time. The same live would be streamed on both platforms without any problem. Your phone or computer must be strong for that. So you can change the video resolution from here. Now I have set it to full HD. You can also change the bitrate. You can also select the watermark would be shown or not. It's a free app, so you can also cancel the watermark, display it on your video. So after that settings, let me show you. This is a flip camera option. You can use the back camera or the front camera. Here is the option. Then here you can open on the flash or off the flash. Here you can change the mic setting. You can also off the camera during the live session. You can also change the screen ratios from here. You can also save your videos after your live is completed. You can also set this option automatic save video after streaming. If you just automatic saved enable, if you enable that, automatically your videos will be saved. Otherwise it will ask you want to save or not. Let me show you other powerful options. Here in Connect, you can connect this phone with your computer with Prism Live app, but I am not doing this now, so let it go. In live setting, when you are ready, you can also just shoot videos using this app or take photos using this app. It has that powerful feature. It will work as a camera, video camera or photo taking device. And now I am pressing this ready button. Then important settings are here. Press that button. Then you can choose from Facebook where you want to stream the live, from your profile or your timeline, or maybe from a group you want to go live, or maybe a page, different page connected to your Facebook account. You can see that. You can also press this back button, and also you can select your YouTube channels, which channel and what type of live, unlisted, private, or what type of live, public live. You can select that from here. All the options are available. Just try to do some experiment with the app. Another wonderful thing is you can do a custom live. Custom live means from using stream keys and other settings, you can do live streaming in any platform. For that, what you will have to do, just press this icon, press here, then see I have a test live setting here. You can also do it using RTMP streams. Connected RTMP, that means you can real time connect a server through which you can go live. This is something I need to show you. Maybe you want to go live in a private group. Currently no app or no platform is going to allow you to go live in your private groups, but you can do it using Prism Live Studio using stream URL and stream key from the page or group or any platform, maybe a web platform where you have the RTMP settings. You can do it and you can create a live streaming settings just using your phone. It's just wonderful. So let me show you some more settings. See here, you can see real time during live you can generate butterfly effects, or here you can wear a sunglass, here another glass and rain effect, here a chill person. All this would be available during the live session also. So after going in a live session you can do all these things. Here you can do many settings, many face effects, and everything is available here. Here you can see there are lots of options here. These all are face effects. You can scroll them from left to right, right to left. You can select many face effects. Also here many frames are available, so you can choose them to make your live streaming really wonderful. Here are lots of frames, you can see just wonderful. During the live session you can do these changes also. That's the amazing thing and the most powerful settings of Prism Live Studio. Here are some stickers, I think. Let me see. Yes, here are animations and alert type things. See that? How amazing. No one can do this without Prism Live Studio nowadays. This is the only app where you can do these types of effects, magics and other stuffs. Here are some overlays from Giphy, powered by Giphy. Giphy, that means you can use any GIF from Giphy.com. You can search it from here. You can search many things, but I'm not searching, I'm just showing this search button. There are many things. You can bring animals from this search button. Here you can see this dog. All types of GIF files are available here. Here are two dogs. You can create amazing live using this app. So I am just showing these effects. Last of all, this is another powerful feature. You can directly write on your screen. That means I am going to write hi. During the live you can write just in your screen. That's amazing. Still now, this is the only live streaming app that can create these types of effects from phone, and it's a multi-streaming app. That means you can go live at the same time in Facebook and YouTube and other platforms. So let me show you. Here you have some cute face setting, natural face setting, sharp face setting. That means it's a AI version, a demo AI version, but it looks better. Sometimes it will improve your face and improve your face sharpness, or it will make normal, or it will make your face cute. So during live session people will not see your original face, they will see a AI version of your face. That means it's a beauty parlor on itself. So that's amazing. And here are some color options. You can change this thing from selfie, vivid, warm, cool, film, mono, natural. You can choose from many options. Here you can see all of this can make your life wonderful, and you will look great if you use this app. So overall, that was the settings, and now you know what is Prism Live Studio. But let me show you some more detail about multi-streaming. I do not want to go here. Yes, you need to press that icon here. Here different things will happen. This is one button, this is another button, this is another button. So I need to press here. After that you will have to push this button, or you will have to activate that multi-stream option on. When you will do that, you can select that. See that here 3 yellow tick marks means when I will press the live button, the live streaming would be available in 3 platforms. One is from a custom live setting web platform, another is from YouTube, last one is RTM. This is custom live setting actually. So overall you can go live in many platforms just at a time using this multi-stream option. It's actually amazing. If you want to add more, then just press this add button, and you can see many platforms are available here: YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Band, Now, VLive, Kakao TV. Wonderful things are here. And also you can do a custom live. You can set custom settings using stream keys and server URL. You can do almost anything what anyone can do. A pretty powerful computer. And actually in computer also Prism Live Studio is now best in my opinion. So that's amazing. So after pressing that live button, you will go in live. Just I'm not going that. I'm not going to show you that now at that time, but I will show you something amazing. You can do more things using Prism Live Studio. Just scroll the screen from right to left. You can see here you can use music during live streaming. You can add some music, so your conversation would be musical and your audience will enjoy it a lot. you can input media. That means you can play a video from your device during the live session. Also you can write any text, your name or your brand name, and set it. See, I am just writing my brand name here, how it looks. Let me show you. See, I am writing my study friend. Now see, if I press the done button, it will add a overlay here in my studio. Just double press this thing and you can see your brand name is here. You can also add some animation on this text. See, here are some animations and different options. So let me show you one of them. If I choose that elegant option, elegant title, so this title will be animated. That means it will move and show some effects. So this may be your brand name. So I'm just typing name. Let me show you. Pressing the done button, then select that and just leave it here. It will show some animations. You can see that the animation is working wonderfully. So not only that, from widget you can add many widgets. You can use Prism chat widget, and that's the most amazing thing. You can share a website, a YouTube video, or any link that you can view in your browser directly in your live studio. Just select the web option and paste the URL here. If you paste a URL of a Facebook video, you can access the Facebook video in your live streaming. So that is so wonderful. If you just add a widget, then select the web option. I am showing this again. If you just paste a YouTube link, you can access a YouTube video in this Prism Live Studio app in your live streaming screen. Also you can browse some PDF from web and show people if you want to teach or explain something using the web source. And also you can log the layer. What does it mean, log the layer? Let me show you. If you log the layer, that means, let me show you. Here is a web source. I'm showing you just. If you log the layer, that means you cannot resize it. Here I can resize the window, the browser size and everything, but you cannot do that if you lock the window. But sometimes your screen may be full with many overlays, so locking the windows would be very useful. So see, the browser is working. So let me show you something more. You can screencast. That means you can share your mobile screen and go live. You can stream games, or you can write in your phone, or you can show anything from your mobile phone using this screencast option. Here if you press that option, let me show you. It will give you yes in the here it's showing that if you start the live, the option would be activated. So I'm not going to start the live now, but just when you press this go live button, the screen share option would be available. That means you can share your phone screen during the live session. So all of these are wonderful, just amazing. You can see here are many overlays I previously created. So that's all. From media you can also import images like this. See, during live session I can use this overlay option and I can show my audience these types of images or pictures. Or you can also share slide pictures or photos during the live session. That means without having a computer, you can live stream with your professional level slides. So all these things are possible using just Prism Live Studio. That's the amazing open source app. That means they will never charge a penny. They will never charge any money for that wonderful app. That's amazing. So that's all the features are not mentioned here. Try to explore by yourself, try to do some studies on internet also. You'd be very glad to know that this app is really amazing. Thank you, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, share this knowledge with your friends and teachers and educators and YouTubers. All of them would be benefited through that app. Thank you.